Welcome back, guys. And if you are worried about the security of the WhatsApp of your account, I am going to tell you 3 things in this video by which you can make your WhatsApp account more secure. Already WhatsApp account is secured, you have to just activate those facilities. So if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So not wasting much of your time, first just you see, tap on 3 dots, link devices. If anybody any name is there, this means this is using your WhatsApp account. Just tap on here and logged out. So this is the first level of security. Second, tap on here 3 dots and then go to the setting, go to the privacy and go below, and here fingerprint lock, just enable it. Once you have enable it, you have extra layer of security of the fingerprint. Your WhatsApp will need your fingerprint while opening. So this is the second level. And third level, just go to this the 3 dots, and here one thing is there. Go to the settings and then accounts, and then here 2-step verifications you have to turn on. For extra security, this 2-step verification should be turned on. So this will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp. Again, means if you want to register your WhatsApp number again, your phone number again with WhatsApp, then this PIN will be required. If you turn on, you need to give this 6-digit PIN. Here again you need to give, and here you need to you can enter your email ID in case you want to reset your PIN if you forget it. So after that it will be activated if you go further. So this is 3 levels. You should check in your WhatsApp account, and you must do the additional 2 settings, means activating the fingerprint lock and addition of 2-step verifications to make your WhatsApp more secure. Which is WhatsApp is already secured. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.